Chapter 8. Spaceship. 1Q1. Why is the spaceship traveling at only 70 miles an hour when Harry wakes up? Answer. The spaceship is traveling at the speed of 70 miles an hour because it is going to land on the moon, and it is necessary to slow down the speed for the safe landing. Cube 2. When has the spaceship been to the moon before and with what passengers? Answer. The spaceship has been on the moon 1 month before for a necessary test. There was no passenger on board except 3 sheep. Q3. What is the relationship between Harry and Professor Witney? Answer. Harry is in love with Katherine, the daughter of Professor Witney, and he expects to marry her just after return flight of the spaceship. So Harry is the would-be son-in-law of Professor Witney. Q4. What was the significance of Professor Witney's chalking Noah's Ark on the second spaceship? Answer. The significance of Professor Witney's chalking Noah's Ark on the second ship was that he expected a terrible war which would break out in the world, resulting in complete destruction of life. The spaceship with its human cargo would escape the destruction of World War. It would save life, as Noah's Ark did. Q5. What was the nature of the fear that afflicted Professor Witney during the night before the landing on the moon? Answer. Witney dreamt last night that a nuclear war had broken out on London. So it was the fear of the war that haunted him very much, and the fear was intensified when he was told that in spite of Harry's best efforts, he had failed to contact the base on wireless. Q6. What is Professor Witney's attitude to the new type of society in which scientific and technical progress is the one thing that seems to matter? Answer. Professor Witney dislikes the attitude of new scientific society, which is giving much importance to scientific and technical progress. He thinks that it's the destruction of all the art and believes that one day these scientific inventions would start scientifically organized killing on Earth. Q7. How has England come to be defenseless? Answer. England came to be defenseless when in 1938 and 1939, the International Air Police abolished war. Then England stopped the preparation of war. Thus, she could not keep the nuclear weapons. Q8. What disaster has befallen England during the night? Answer. Professor Witney dreamt that the enemy had invaded England with nuclear weapons at night. The sky was full of gray canisters filled with poisonous gases. When they burst in the air, they sprayed out a heavy, brown, oily fog. The attack was without physical destruction because they wanted to occupy London intact. Q9. How was Katherine survived the poison gas attack? Answer. Katherine was survived the poison gas attack by staying in the topmost room of the building. Perhaps the effect of the poison gas could not reach there so fast. Q10. Why does her father instruct her to kill herself? Answer. Katherine's father instructs her to kill herself so that she could not fall in the hand of the enemy. If the enemy knew her to be the daughter of scientists, they would maltreat and torture her to find out her father's research secrets.